Vinit Machines, India's leading manufacturer of lathe machines since 1979, has always been at the forefront of product innovation, quality excellence, and customer service. We specialize in manufacturing highly advanced light-duty lathe machines that are compact, robust, and expertly crafted for stable and superior performance. The unique specifications of our light-duty lathe machines make them a perfect choice for the numerous applications in tool rooms and engineering operations. Be in turning, facing, boring, threading, drilling, or tapping. Vinit's light-duty lathe machines assure powerful performance. Vinit Machines is more than a machine manufacturing organization. We embody the legacy of more than 4 decades, the trust of more than 5,000 customers, and the global presence in over 25 countries. Vinit Machines, made in India, made for the world.